R.P. Gohil sir, co-chairman of CCE section, Dr. Sushil Kumar sir, head of Applied Mathematics and Humanities department, uh, and he will be joining Dr. Ajay Kumar Rai sir, head of Applied Physics department, and we have Professor V.H. Pradhan sir, Dr. Jayesh Todia sir, and Dr. Yogesh Sonwane sir as coordinators of this program. On behalf of the Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department and Applied Physics Department, it is my immense pleasure to welcome all the honorable dignitaries, faculty members, and participants on the inaugural ceremony of this program. Before we can proceed further, let us start this day by remembering our goddess Saraswati with a prayer.
या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां सरस्वती शेषजाड्यापहा.
To begin with the proceedings of this ceremony, I would like to introduce Professor V.H. Pradhan sir, coordinator of this program. He is a professor at Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department, SPNIT Surat. He is serving as the Dean of Student Welfare. He has also been a former head of the department and former Associate Dean of Students Welfare. He has more than 30 years of teaching experience. Under his guidance, 13 students have successfully completed their PhD thesis. He has published more than 100 research papers in various international journals. He has also been a chairman of MSc Integrated Admission Committee in the earlier years. He has delivered more than 150 expert talks in various international and national conferences and seminars. He has organized 2 international conferences, 15 short-term training programs, and 3 workshops. He has visited several countries like USA, West Indies, Singapore, etc. Now I would like to request Pradhan sir to give one address for this ceremony. Please, sir.
Yeah, a very good morning to all of you, respected dignitaries of the inaugural function and all my dear participants. It gives me an immense pleasure to welcome this first online program of short-term training program organized by the Department of Applied Mathematics and Humanities and Applied Physics Department. I welcome the chief guest of this inaugural function, Professor D.N. Talisajar. I am very much thankful to him for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of this program and accepting our invitation to deliver the keynote address. Thank you so much, sir. I welcome the Honorable Director of our Professor S.R. Gandhi, sir, who is very kind enough to accept our invitation to be here in our inaugural function of short-term training program. Thank you, sir. I welcome the co-chairman of CCE, Professor R.P. Gohil, sir, for accepting our invitation and to join with us in this inaugural program. Thank you, sir. I welcome Head of Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department, Dr. Sushil Kumar, who has also accepted our invitation to remain with us in inaugural program. Thank you, sir. I welcome Head of Applied Physics Department, Dr. A.K. Rai, who has also joined with us, and I welcome you, sir. I also welcome both the coordinators, Dr. Jayesh Dodia and Dr. Yogesh Sonwane, for making all the efforts in this short-term training program under this pandemic situation of COVID-19. I'm very much happy to see that both these coordinators work very hard this program a grand success. And lastly, the most important part of our program, all my dear participants who have already joined with us from different parts of this country, I welcome all the participants, and I'm very much sure that you all will be benefited on this topic of modeling and simulation on various types of problems which are arising in real world situations. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now we have with us our coordinator, Dr. Jayesh Todia, sir. He is an associate professor in Department of Applied Mathematics and Humanities, SVNIT Surat. He has more than 16 years of teaching experience. Under his guidance, 6 students have successfully completed PhD and 7 students are still pursuing. More than 25 students have successfully completed their MSc dissertation, as well as one student has completed his MPhil under his guidance. He has published 74 research papers in various reputed international and national journals. He has successfully completed 4 development projects with IBM company and 1 research project with SNIT. He has also organized 9 training programs, 1 international conference, 4 workshops, and he has delivered more than 51 expert lectures at various organizations. He has been awarded as a gold medalist in the post-graduation program. He has cleared Gujarat Public Service Commission examination for mathematics in 2010. His major areas of research interest are operations research, mathematical modeling and simulation, computing, knowledge management, and image mining. So now I would like to request Surya sir to give brief outline of this program to our participants.
Hello, respected all dignitaries, my colleagues and researchers. A very good morning to one and all present here. It's immense me a great pleasure to welcome you in this short-term training program on mathematical modeling and simulation and physical sciences. We have with us our honorable dignitaries, Pattern Noble Programs, and President of the inaugural function, Professor S.R. Gandhi sir, Director of SVNIT. Chief guest of the inaugural program, Professor Dimple Kumar and Shadi Sajja sir from Virginia Military Institute, USA. Co-chairman of the SVNIT, Professor R.P. Gohil sir. Head of the Applied Physics Department, A.K. Rai sir. Head of the Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department, Dr. Sushil Kumar sir. All my colleagues, dear participants and researchers. As you know, knowledge is increases day by day, and with this revolution, it is necessary for us to enhance our knowledge. This program is one of our efforts in this direction. The main goal of this program is to enhance our knowledge of mathematical modeling and simulation, theoretically as well as practically, to latest software. We are all, up till now, me and Professor V.I. Pradhan have successfully jointly organized 13 different one-week short-term training programs, international conference, seminars and workshops. This is 14th program, and with Dr. Yogesh Sonwane, this is our second consecutive programs. For this HTTP, when we open the link of registration, within 2 days, the registration is full, and thereafter, more than 200 participants call me for the registration. But we have selected only 49 participants because we people always believed on quality, training, and education. The participants are selected from the different states of the country like Assam, Odisha, Chennai, Maharashtra, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Punjab, Delhi, Rajasthan, etc. In this STTP, total 10 sessions of 1.5 hours are scheduled for theoretical and practical knowledge development of modeling and simulation. 6 sessions are arranged as a tutorial or software demonstration to perform the simulation. Total 12 eminent speakers are invited in this program. Out of them, 3 are from the foreign country, USA, Australia, and Sweden, and 11 are from the prestigious institutes and universities like Baba Atomic Research Center, Central Universities, NITs, and other universities of the country. It is difficult to organize that program, but we have lucky because we are having senior professor and former head of the department, Professor V.S. Pradhan sir with us. His valuable suggestion always improve the quality of this program. Sir, we would like to thank you for your kind support. Dear participants,
Thank you.
SVNIT always believe in the quality education, and I am damn sure at the end of this doctoral training program, you can achieve a very good knowledge of modeling and simulation. At the same time, dear all, we are very strict about certification. It is compulsory for all of you to attend in each session. Otherwise, we are not providing you a certificate. At the end, I would like to thank you, our patron of the program and president of the inaugural function, Director Sir. I would also like to thank chief guest of the program, Professor Dani Sajja Sir, for giving us their valuable time. I would also like to thank Head of the Department of Applied Mathematics, Dr. Sushil Kumar Sir, Head of the Department of Applied Physics, Dr. A.K. Rai Sir, Co-Chairman of CCE, Dr. R.P. Gohil Sir, for their kind support for the program. I would also like to thank all my colleagues for their kind support. I congratulate all the participants for their selection in SCP and for coming fruitful discussion of 1 week. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jay sir. We are fortunate to have our Honorable Co-Chairman of CCE section, Professor R.P. Gohil sir. He is an Associate Professor at Computer Engineering Department, SVNIT Surat. And as I said, he is the Co-Chairman of CCE section. He has a vast experience of teaching and research field. His areas of research interest are image and video processing, multi-core programming and optimization, system programming, and advanced computer architecture. His core subjects in teaching field are operating system, information technical management, microprocessor, and interfacing techniques in embedded systems. He has published many papers in the reputed international and national journals. He is actively engaged with many administrative activities of SVNIT as well as Government of India. Thank you for giving us your valuable time, sir. Now I would request you to please address the participants about CE department.
Thank you. Good morning to all the dignitaries, Dr. Gandhi sir, Professor Charlie Sajja, Dr. Pradhan, Dr. Yogesh, Dr. Dodia, Head of Mathematics Department, all the faculties of Applied Mathematics, and dear participants. As said, I just brief about the activity under the banner of Center for Continuing Education. That was the thought of our director, sir, Dr. S.R. Gandhi, just to bring all these training programs under one umbrella. So with this vision, he has suggested to have one Center of Continuing Education at SVNIT. And that was came into existence in February 2017 with the prime objective of imparting the skill, developing the training program, value-added courses, that's for faculty, research scholar, UG and PG student, along with industry professionals, especially by planning and organizing workshop, short-term training program, events, maybe expert talks, conferences, and short-term training program of this kind, which each feature to become a self-sustained centered. Just to brief about the activity so far, right from February 2017 till day, including this program, we have a total of 106 programs so far, out of which self-sustained, if I just categorize, we had 37 self-sustained program, 43 STTPs, and as we all know, under the banner of TQ sponsorship, we had 26 programs. So that way, we had 106 programs under the banner of SVNIT and the umbrella of CCE. Out of which we had so far 62 STTPs, 24 workshops, total 7 expert talks, conferences, seminar, and along with that, Atal programs, which are also an initiative of AICT. Through this, all the programs so far, total of 5,300 participants were benefited. And into this, if we categorize further, like we had total 926 industry participants and 1,277 faculty participants. Along with that, majority of students also 2,751 students. So this way, the CC is specially just to cater the demands of all training programs and bringing all these things under one umbrella, so that as it was suggested by our director sir, Professor S.R. Gandhi, that as in when the activity even for NIRF ranking and etc., all the details are available through one node and one channel. And we could also generate total of 6 lakhs plus fund for the CC through this program, through various programs. So I can say that this way, CC is just grown up as it was earlier into the child stage, and still we are trying. Along with me, Dr. A. Sheikh is a chairman of CC, and we thank our director sir and all the faculty members for organizing all the programs successfully, and I wish all the best to the coordinators of today's program and a grand success. Along with that, a very good time for all the participants. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Govind sir. It is also an honor to have Dr. Sushil Kumar sir, Head of Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department. He is presently working as the Head and Associate Professor of Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department, SVNIT Surat. He has received his PhD degree in mathematics from IIT Roorkee in 2007. He has more than 18 years of teaching experience. His major areas of research interest lies in mathematical modeling and simulation, biomechanics, moving boundary problems, heat transfer, fractional differential equations, and many more. He has published more than 31 research papers in various reputed international and national journals. Under his guidance, one research project has been successfully completed in 2016 and one ongoing research project since 2018. He has also organized 8 training programs, 6 conferences and workshops, and he has delivered more than 14 lectures at various organizations. He has also visited several countries like Russia, USA, Thailand, Germany for presenting his research work. We thank you, sir, for sparing your precious time with us. Now, I would like to invite you to address the participants about applied physics, applied mathematics, and humanities department.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Vandana.
sir.
Yeah, thank you, Vandana, for introduction. Good morning to all. On behalf of the department, I would like to thanks and welcome Professor Dimple Chalisgar, the chief guest of this program, our director, Professor S.R. Gandhi, for giving their valuable times for this program. As far as our department is concerned, so our department came in existence in 2009 as a separate department named as Applied Mathematics and Humanities Department. Before 2009, it was a part of Applied Science and Humanities Department, consisting of faculty from physics, mathematics, English, and management. Currently, in our department, we have a faculty from three disciplines: mathematics, English, and management. Our department offered 5-year integrated MSc course, and admission in this course is through JEE exam. We also offer course in BTech, first year and second year. And currently we have total 12 faculty, 10 is in mathematics, 1 in English, 1 is in management. We also offer PhD in different disciplines of pure and applied mathematics and English and management. And recently we have about 30 PhDs in our department. Our department also organized HTTP conference workshop on different fields. This current HTTP named as Mathematical Modeling in Physical Science. It is an event of Physics Department and Mathematics Department. So I would like to thank all the participants for joining this course, and I would also congratulate the organizer and entire team of this course for their efforts. So in the last, all the best for all the participants and organizers. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sushil sir.
Welcome.
It is
Vanna.
a true... Excuse me, sir. Sorry.
Oh, Vandana, continue.
Continue.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. It is a true pleasure for me to introduce Dr. Ajay Kumar Rai, sir, Head of Applied Physics Department. He is an Associate Professor at Applied Physics Department. He has a vast experience of teaching and research field. His areas of research interest are high energy physics and hadron spectroscopy. His core subjects of teaching field are classical mechanics, physics of atoms and molecules, electronics and electrodynamics. He has numerous publications in reputed national and international journals. He is closely associated with many administrative activities of SVNIT as well as Government of India. He has successfully completed several research projects with Government of Science and Technology Department. We are highly obliged with your valuable presence, sir. Thank you for joining us on this ceremony. Now I would request you to address the participants about Applied Physics Department. Sir?
Department. Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
please
yes.
continue.
Okay. I would like to thank the organizers for giving us the opportunity to introduce physics department. First, I would like to welcome our own director, sir, Gates, and Professor Dimple, president. So I think R.P. Goel sir, Pradhan sir, Sushil Kumar head mathematics department, and the coordinators Jayas Dodia and Sonwal. Physics department is one of the 9 departments in SPNIT, and Department of Physics is also offering MSc Physics as well as the PhD program. And in our department, research, we have all these theoretical as well as the experimental physics. In theoretical physics, people are working on particle physics, condensed matter physics, plasma physics, and for the experimental side, we have condensed matter physics as well as other means like plasma and then particle physics. And department got this FIST program from the DST for all these experimental facility. So I congratulate all these participants for this program, and I also congratulate all these organizers, all these coordinators, particularly Professor Pradhan, Dr. Jayas Jodia, and Sonone for successful completion of this program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ajay sir. We are also honored with the presence of Professor S.R. Gandhi sir, Director and Patron of this program. He's a renowned academician and administrator. He is the Director of SVNIT Surat and a Professor at Civil Engineering Department, IIT Madras. Under his vibrant leadership, SVNIT Surat has achieved many significant milestones in academics and research, including NIRF rankings. He has been awarded his PhD degree in geotechnical engineering from IIT Madras in 1985. His areas of research interest are pile foundation, ground improvement, field instrumentation and monitoring, fly ash utilization, and disposal facility. Under his guidance, numerous doctoral theses have been successfully completed. He has authored many research papers in the various reputed international journals. His academic journey is an inspiration to all of us. Thank you, sir, for gracing this program with your valuable presence. Now, I would like to invite you to address the participants.
Yeah, Professor Deepak Kumar, sir, chief guest of the function from Virginia Tech University. Professor, the course coordinators, Professor V.S. Pradhan, Professor S. Guria, and Professor Sonwane. The heads of department, Rai and Sushil Kumar, other faculty colleagues, participants to the program, research scholars, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. Gives me great pleasure to join in this inaugural function today um, and participate in this 1 week STTP program, which is on mathematical modeling and simulations in physical sciences. Um, Let me join first Professor Pradhan and the colleagues in welcoming you all to this training program. Um, the situation now demands that we cannot physically meet and we'll have to manage with this online program. It has both advantages and disadvantages. You will not be able to physically see some of the facilities on the campus. But anyway, I wish that you will have the occasion in future to visit us and particularly the participant and go through the facilities in not only these three science departments but the other departments as well. Uh, uh, though this program is made only for the simulation in sciences, it's equally important in the engineering as well. And as civil engineer also, we have various mathematical modeling which has been implemented, which is found to be very effective, particularly for the research. The physical modeling has its own limitation, as you know, the high cost, and whatever scale you adopt, you still have limitations in accuracy of the model and various assumptions you make while choosing the material for model, and that leads to an error. A numerical model, on the other hand, you have more data required, which is a challenge depending on the problem you are solving. But nevertheless, it permits you to carry out what we call a study with a large variation in the parameter, which you cannot do experimentally to a large extent. So it's a boon to the researcher to have the simulation and numerical modeling. I in IIT Madras a month back, 2 months back, and there's a nice facility created, maybe of interest to Professor Deepak Kumar because it relates to marine engineering. The ocean engineering department at IIT Madras has made simulation of ocean environment. So one large floor is dedicated to this, and what is simulated is as if you are traveling in a ship. What you see in the surrounding or different wave condition, different weather condition, when you approach a port to a breakwater or all other is a simulation through video cameras in all 360 degrees, and then you feel as if you are traveling in the boat. It helps in taking certain decision about maneuvering and layout of the entrance channel, etc. Just to give you as an example, it's worth seeing in IIT Madras. The I find when this modeling is carried out, you have several challenges related to the, I told you about assumptions made, the boundary conditions, verifying the boundary conditions, and large number of data, which is a challenge. I see that the program, the coordinators have made a special arrangement for the program though you are not physically present here, the weather has changed just by the time we completed the Saraswati Vandana. We had heavy rain started in the city here. But I hope the internet will continue to work and you are not having any disruption in the program. I wish very fruitful deliberations in this 1 week program, and I suggest that the participants who are attending the program share these deliberations and with the other colleagues who have not been able to attend the program. As Professor R.P. Goyal has said, the institute is organizing more than 50, 60 programs a year, and this is one of them. I once again convey my thanks to all to the organizer for providing me this opportunity to be with you today, and special thanks to Professor Dimple Kumar for kindly having spent time at odd hours and joining you in this. He has to stay another few hours for his lecture. Thank you once again to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I am also delighted to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest of this program, Professor Dimple Kumar Chalish-Hazar, sir. He is a colonel and professor of applied mathematics at Virginia Military Institute, Virginia, USA. He has served as a director of Study Abroad Program, chair of International Program Committee, and member of Liaison Committee. He has completed his PhD in 2005 from IISc Bangalore and University of Baroda. He has more than 24 years of teaching experience. His research specialization is on control theory and applications through functional analysis. He has published 6 books and more than 54 research papers in peer-reviewed international journals. He has given more than 60 presentations in the conferences, including invited talks with 1 monogram. He is the editorial board of 11 journals and reviewer of more than 25 journals. He has reviewed more than 120 research articles for peer review journals. He has supervised 6 PhD theses, 15 students for graduate and undergraduate level independent research, 1 capstone project, and 1 honor thesis. He has been awarded by various organizations for his excellence beyond limits. Your presence in this program is a great motivation and inspiration for all of us. We are really delighted to have you here. Thank you, sir, for joining us at such odd hours. I would kindly request you to please address the participants.
Thanks, Vandana, for the excellent introduction. Thank you so much. Respected Dr. S.R. Gandhi, Director of SVNIT, various HODs, mathematics, physics, and other HODs, Dr. Pradhan, Dr. Jayesh, and organizers, Dr. Yogesh and team, and all participants. Thanks for the invite and offering a chairperson of this webinar. We should be thankful to the organizers for conducting this webinar in this pandemic situation where one-to-one contact is absolutely impossible. By virtue of such webinars, we can maintain our contacts and learn new things, new ideas, and develop our contacts and in different field of mathematics and statistics. So question may arise that why we need such type of seminars or webinars. I would say mainly that is for the motivation. Some of you might be just entering in the field of PhD recently, or some of you at the verge of completion of the PhD. If you have just joined PhD program, or if you are intending to join the PhD program, in that case, you have to attend several seminars like this so that you can come to know in which direction work is going on and what is your field, what is your interest. And then after you can choose your field accordingly. So that gives you one kind of motivation. And those who are already involved in PhD course, they can contact they can develop the context. They can come to know how the work is going on. They can contribute their work. They can exchange their ideas. So lots of benefits are there. At this time of movement, I just recall one slogan of George S. Patton, He said that there are three ways that men get what they want. First is planning, second one is by working, third one is by praying. Look at over here. He said praying, that is at last. Of course, blessings are there. Everyone needs a blessing, but you can't be dependent on your blessing. You have to first plan your goal, then after you have to put your 100% to achieve that goal, and always blessings are there. Blessings are always there. If your soul is sound, if you are working hard, if you are putting your all 100%, Almighty is always there to help you out. So many people, sometimes people say that if I work hard, if I don't work hard, and I trust God, and yeah, I can get the things what I want to get in life. That's not going to happen. No. If you are not committed to your work, to yourself, if you don't want to help yourself, nobody is going to help you, not even God. And that's why another slogan is there: God does not work for you. Why God should work for you? He has to take care of whole universe, not just you. So God doesn't work for you. God works with you. If you are willing to work for yourself, God is always there to help you out. That's what I believe. And you don't have to go for any kind of identification if you are willing to work hard. So just work hard and automatically you will be identified or you will be getting the acknowledgement. So many times people are, my students, they are asking me, why math? Why math research? Or what is the importance of math research? I would say that continuing math research is important because incredibly useful concepts like cryptography and calculus and image and signal processing have and continue to come to mathematics and are helping people solving the real world problems. The advantage of studying math there are lots of advantages. Let me just count a couple of them. The math helps us to have better problem solving skill. Math helps us to think analytically and have better reasoning abilities. Analytical thinking refers to think critically about the world around us. Research in math. All we are interested in research. So research in math is the process of trying to find the answers to interesting math questions. And these questions might have applications to daily life, or they might be studied solely due to their intrinsic interest. So what is the secret of math? The secret to learning math is simple. That's just simple. In math, what's written is what it means. You would think this would make math easy. The problem is that most of us have been trained to look for the hidden meanings in everything, and to ensure that those hidden meanings are what we mean. But that's not the way. And that's why we require guru, we require supervisor, we require guide. If you are not working, suppose you are just out of track, guide is always there to help you out and he will put you in the track and you will again go in the same direction in which you are looking for. So in my opinion, that is the importance of math and the research work. Some people, they may ask like this, that can everything be explained by mathematics? Particularly, I believe that math is a discovery. Because the universe is mathematical in nature according to laws that exist, everything can be explained by numbers. Even particles can be explained by numbers. Universe is a linear combination of numbers. So everything inside the system can be explained or governed or quantified by math. So I think we should take the advantage of all these things. We should be thankful to the organizers for arranging all these things for you guys, and try to take the advantage for next week, next few days, or expert lectures or whatever they have arranged for you. I don't want to take much of your time. So thank you so much and good luck to you guys.
Thank you, Dimple sir, for your such motivational words. Now I would like to introduce our coordinator, Dr. Yogesh Sonwane sir. He is an assistant professor at Applied Physics Department, SVNIT Surat. He is having a research experience of more than 12 years and teaching experience of 8 years. He has published more than 134 papers in the reputed international and national journals. His fields of research interest are 2D materials, catalysis, condensed matter modeling and density functional theory, energy storage materials, and liquid metals. He has organized one conference and 4 short-term training programs, and he has delivered more than 27 invited talks. Under his guidance, one research project has been successfully completed and 2 research projects are still going on. He has supervised 3 PhD theses and 14 MSc dissertations successfully. Now I would like to request Sonwani sir to express the vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you very much for inviting me. Respected all dignitaries, patrons of the program, and the president of the inaugural function, director of Professor S.R. Gandhi, and chief guest of inaugural program, Professor Chalis Hajar, and co-chairman of CCE, R.P. Gohil sir. Head of the Applied Physics Department, A.K. Rai, and head of Applied Mathematics Department, Dr. Sushil Kumar, and all my college and dear participant and research scholars. I'm thankful to the chief guest of the program, Professor Chalis Hajare, for spending valuable time with us and at very short time is accept our invitation and giving talk and also accept our invitation of the chief guest. And I'm also thankful to the director sir who provide facility to conduct this particular workshop. And I'm also thankful to the CC chairman Professor Sheikh sir and Gohil sir for providing facility to do these things. And I'm also thankful to the head of the department of Applied Mathematics and Humanity Department, Dr. Shur sir, and the Applied Physics Department, Dr. A.K. Rai sir. And I'm also thankful to all my speakers who had agree to give the talk and interact with our participants. And I'm also thankful to the Sushil Alok sir who gave us very good guidance regarding the organizing this particular STPP. And I'm also thankful to all the staff member of APD, Applied Physics Department, and the Applied Maths and Humanity Departments. And in the last, I'm also be thankful to all who work directly and indirectly during the preparation of the STPP. And finally, thank you very much. Thank you.
This is Dr. Jayesh here. This is one of the requests to all the participants. Dr. Dimple Chalis Hajar sir having their YouTube channel. You people can join the channel of the sir having various videos. So you can benefit. Thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, Yogesh sir. With this, we end up with the inaugural ceremony of this program. Now, I would like to hand over this session to Professor V.H. Pradhan sir.
Professor Pradhan,
Yeah, thank you. Yes, sir.
let me thank once again Professor
Yes, sir.
Dimple Kumar, and
Thank
I
you.
take your leave now. Nice to see you.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
Forward.
I can
Sure,
understand.
sir. Sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Dimple, sir, shall we make a break of 10 minutes?
It's up to you. I don't mind.
I think,
Okay, sir.
I don't mind.
yeah. So after 10 minutes, we'll start your keynote address.
That sounds good.
So that we all can have a cup of tea. Sorry that we cannot provide this hospitality.
Have it.
You will-
Have it.
everybody will have to take their cup of tea at your own.
But
so-
but you made it possible by keeping a break. So thanks for that. We'll have cup of tea remembering all.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Bye
Okay.
and best luck.
Yeah.
Thank
By
you.
that time, I
Thank
will
you,
just
sir.
try to
Thank
set
you
up
very
my
much.
talk.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sushil, sir. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir. Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
thank you,
you,
Rai,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yogesh.
Thank you all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Dr. Yogesh.
हाँ sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Yogesh.
हाँ sir. हाँ sir.
Can we arrange our presentation so that in this tea break, if you don't mind?
हाँ हाँ yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So you don't worry. We will do it, sir.
Sure.